This next lift is called the bent arm pullover, and it works the pectoral muscles in the chest and the big muscles down the whole of the back called the latissimus dorsi. It does involve using the squatting technique, so ensure that you watch the bench press lift before you try to do this one. The only difference with this, Rachel, is when you deadlift the bar and pass it to me, I need a narrow shoulder width grip, so you need to deadlift it just slightly wider than hip width apart, but exactly as we did before. So if you want to deadlift the bar with that slightly wider grip, keeping close, the bar close to your body, and I'm going to come in with a shoulder width grip, so nice and close, passing it over my bar. The first thing I'm going to do is just to make sure my hands are equidistant from the ends of the bar and bring my elbows down to 90 degrees. And if you want to move around to the side so you can see that, from there I'm going to bring the bar overhead just as far as I can, making sure I keep my back close to the bench, maintaining 90 degrees throughout the whole of that lift. And then all we do is using as big a range of movement as possible, keeping the elbows in the same position and bringing the bar down toward the abdomen and then behind the head. Can you see that okay?
Yes.
So my elbows stay close together. When I've finished the number of reps I want to complete, I fully extend my arms to the top, and then if you come back in and keeping both our hands on the bar, you can say my bar when you're ready to accept the bar from me.
My bar.
Okay? And then if you want to deadlift the bar down to the floor, was that okay? Could you see everything with that lift? Okay, Rachel, as this lift is quite difficult to coordinate the first time you try it, I think we'll use a slightly lighter bar so you can establish really good technique. Okay. So do you want to deadlift that bar and place that somewhere over here, and I'll get a body bar? So you can see this bar we're going to use is a little bit lighter, so that will be a little bit easier for you to manage in this first time if you try it. So now, we've said before, it's quite difficult for you to maintain good back alignment other than when you put your feet on the bench. So, and we've already said if you use a real strong tummy contraction here to maintain neutral spine throughout the lift, I'm going to deadlift the bar with a slightly wider than shoulder width grip. So you can say my bar when you're ready.
My bar.
How does that feel weight-wise?
That's fine.
Good. So shoulder width grip here. If you want to bring your elbows down to the sides of your rib cage and keep them close in, 90 degrees at the elbow. Wrist strong, knuckles pointing up. So in your own time, if you want to bring the bar down behind your head, just as far as is comfortable, so you can maintain good alignment of the back on the bench, and then keeping the elbows at a 90-degree angle, if you go all the way behind and then right back into the rib cage, so the bar sort of coming down towards your tummy muscles. That's great. And your elbows are nice and close together throughout, which is good, in a parallel position. How does that feel?
It's fine.
Yeah? Back alignment's good throughout, so if you make this your last one, if you want to extend your elbows fully to the ceiling, then I'll come back in, wider grip than yours, my bar. So the bar's safe with me, I'll deadlift it back to the floor, and that's the bent arm pullover. Okay?
That's good.
Well done.